Set up Windows Virtual Desktop Sync with ControlUp. In order to set up synchronization between WVD and ControlUp, we need to log on to our ControlUp monitor server and install a few prerequisites. The first is to install the WVD PowerShell modules az.accounts and az.desktop virtualization. If you get prompted about the untrusted repository, type Y, then enter to continue. Next, verify you have all the newest ControlUp PowerShell modules by navigating to the latest ControlUp monitor directory, import module for the ControlUp user module, and confirm Get CU folders is available. Now download the sync scripts by going to the ControlUp GitHub page, clicking code and download zip. With the download complete, we need to extract the files from the zip and copy them to our monitor server. Extract the files, navigate to the environmental synchronization scripts folder and copy the files within. Navigate to your monitor server and paste the files. Switch back to the console and try and run the az.sp credentials script. If you get an error, go back to the files, right-click each of them, and check the unblock box and click apply. Run the set az.sp credential script again and enter your tenant ID, app ID, and app secret you generated in Azure. The application bracket client ID goes in the SP app ID field. The directory bracket tenant ID goes in the SP tenant ID field. When you create your service principal, you will have to make a client secret. This value goes into the SP app secret field. With all the values set, the script will save them. Now we test the synchronization. Start with the name of the script and enter the folder path parameter. This parameter will define the location in ControlUp where the synchronization will happen. If the path does not exist in ControlUp, it will create it. To enable removal of the computer and folder objects from ControlUp, if they do not exist in the external source, add the delete switch. Lastly, add the preview switch so no changes are committed, only the expected actions are logged. The script will output information related to the process, how many external machines it found, any objects, additions or deletions, which is building the whole tree in this instance as this was done in an environment that was never synced before. You can see the changes did not commit as the execution time informs you that it ran in preview mode. Let's watch the synchronization in action. I'm going to run the sync script without the preview switch. The script will execute but commit changes this time. We can see live, in ControlUp, the environment get built. For WVD, we have structured the tree with the WVD folder as root, the subscriber folder underneath, host pools under it, and then session hosts within the host pool folders. Because the script updates the objects in real time, we can test moving machines out of their proper place. Here, I've moved WVD20 SPR2 out of the Spring 2020 WVD folder. Now I will rerun the script. We can see the script detected the anomaly and moved the object back to the proper location. In order to automate the synchronization, we are going to set up a scheduled task that you can run daily or hourly depending on your needs. To start, right-click on the task scheduler library and select Create Task. Give the task a name like Synchronize WVD to ControlUp, select the Run whether the user is logged on or not option, and click on the Triggers tab. Click New. If you want to run it hourly, check the Repeat Task every 1 hour checkbox and set for a duration of to indefinitely. Select the task to run daily and choose a start time. Click on the Actions tab and click on New. In the Program/Script field, type PowerShell.exe. In the Add Arguments field, type -file, the path to the WVD sync script, and any other options you desire. In the Start In field, enter the path to the script. Examine the script with the arguments to ensure they are correct, and then click on OK. Enter your account's credentials. Let's test the scheduled task. I've removed the WVD folder and all of the computer objects from ControlUp. I'm going to right-click on the scheduled task and select Run. Within a few seconds, we can see the tree gets built and populated. Want to learn more? Visit www.controlup.com.